Hello and welcome to this review of Plus500.co.uk, brought to you by fxempire.com. Plus500, who are based out of the UK, have recently launched onto the London Stock Exchange as an IPO. So if you're going to trade with a company and you want to know that they offer you safety and security and of course segregation of funds, then where better to look than a London Stock Exchange listed company. Plus500 are also authorised and regulated by the FCA in the UK. Now that really speaks for itself. If you want to find out more about Plus500's listing, you can do that through the FCA official website. Plus500 offer a list of assets across various different trading vehicles. So they offer share trading, they offer forex trading, indices, commodities, ETFs, and also CFDs. So this is really a one-stop shop for you to trade anything you want to through a very simple and easy to use platform. The Plus500 proprietary trading platform comes in the desktop version, the web trader, iPhone and iPad, and also Android too. Initially, to find out more about Plus500, you can watch their demonstration video, which is very useful, and it just gives you a couple of minutes on exactly how to trade with Plus500, which saves you a lot of time in the long run. They also offer a free demo trading account, and by the way, they give you £20 absolutely free to trade with without even having to make a deposit. It's pretty great. In terms of payment methods, what I love about Plus500 is it's also very hard to find elsewhere these days, is that not only can you make deposits and obviously make withdrawals through Visa, MasterCard and Maestro, as well as diners, but you can also make payments through PayPal and moneybookers, who are now called Skrill, as well as American Express. And I have to say, it's very hard to use your American Express in restaurants, let alone on the internet. So well done Plus500 for that. To learn more about some of the vehicles you can trade through here, there's plenty of information throughout the site with a list of shares or currencies and so on available through here. And these are actually categorized through region. So you can see this is an incredibly well populated list, and you can just scroll down through here. Just look how many currency pairs there are there. And here are your ETFs. Right, so let's begin. Let's start trading. So all you need to do from here is either open an account, a real money account where you're trading for real money, or if you'd like to have a go on the platform through the demo mode, and you simply click on that, you can either access your existing account or of course open a new one. I'm going to open my existing account through here. So this is the user interface you'll be looking at. You can see this is the trading platform, everything you need to make trades through here. Your open positions will be through here. Your orders, like your stop losses and take profits, will be available to you through here. And your close positions are accessed through here. So let's have a look now. If you want to break down some of the available assets, you can do that through the most popular assets. So you can see the risers and the fallers. You can also see the majors 2 and the minors. The commodities are available through here, and the ETFs through there. The popular shares, obviously I'm in the UK, as you can hear from my voice, are available through here, and you can break those down through this alphabetical list here. Well, I'm more of a Forex expert myself, so I think what I'm going to do is go for the simple option, of which I am more of an expert. And of course, trading does come with a risk, and where trading comes with risk, you must be careful to get educated first and to only trade with what you can afford to spend. So Euro USD, you can see the selling price, the buying price, and therefore you can see the difference in the spread, so the pips between the two. That's a 2-pip spread there. And if you want to sell on that, you can do that. But first of all, just have a look at this chart just below here. It's a very clear chart to see. And you can see through here, this is the trend line taking you through, and you can even extend this through here, which also extends the chart itself. And you can take this chart all the way back through to the 25th, 10 a.m. So that's a really good time frame there. Okay, well, let's have a look at the trend, what it's doing. For the last maybe half an hour or so, it's been fluctuating and dropping. I actually, on this point, would like to sell because I believe that it has further to go. So I would click on sell, the amount in euros or whichever currency you're trading with. So I'm going to trade with, let's say, 1,000 euros. And this is leverage. By the way, remember, leverage comes with risk too. But if you are a Forex trader that knows what he's doing, take advantage of the leverage to increase the capital you're trading with. And you can also type in a close, so close when you reach a certain level. Or you can close it at a loss so you don't lose too much. Or of course, you can do that yourself and you can sell through here. And that's it. Now, let's say, for instance, you can just see that's in your open positions now. Let's say, for instance, you want to place a trade on the Euro CAD. You also have an advanced access here, so you really don't need to use the MT4 platform anymore. You can add the trailing loss here and only sell when the rate is such and such. So that's really very good. If you do like having big charts in front of you, then of course you can open MT4 alongside. I'm currently in the demo account, but if I want to switch to the real account, I just go through there. And of course, I make a deposit using any of the methods we discussed before. The platform looks exactly the same. And fund management. So obviously, I don't have a real money account. I would need to do that through here. And because this is a licensed account and a licensed broker, you will need, of course, to send them your identification, sorry. So that's really it. That's what it comes down to. As you can see, you do not have to be an expert to use this platform. Of course, if you are an expert, then there's plenty of things for you to trade here. With such a great broker, one you can trust, one that is licensed, and of course one that is now listed on the London Stock Exchange, you cannot go wrong. Enjoy trading with plus500.co.uk.